So today we have Okar, Valerie, and Felix from the AWS Educate team.
Platform that potentially can help you to scale and be reliable. Try developing a simple simulation.
There will be a digital credential which you can actually post on your social media, on your LinkedIn, etc.
What is your definition of a robot, right? A lot of answers are coming through on the definition of robot. We define it as a machine that is able to react to inputs.
So we have with us Ms. Lindsay Petsidero.
So I'm Lindsay Papsidero, and as Jillian said, I currently work for GeoShare, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Lockheed Martin. If you had the opportunity to go on the surface of the moon, would you go? I will say I don't know if I would go. I did go to space camp, and I learned one too many horror stories of some incidents that happened to astronauts that just didn't seem very pleasant.
By our subject matter expert for Singapore Space Challenge 2021, Mr. Weintraub, who's dialing in all the way from California.
Hello.
So, yeah.
All the spaceship ever designed and built to land on the moon, and you can see most of the spacecraft itself is those spheres. So to do a mission like this, you want to land in the safest place possible, right? No rocks, no boulders, no slope.
Dr. Frankie Chu is a tenure-track assistant at the University of Hawaii at Manoa in Space Systems Field and an associate director of the Hawaii Space Grant Consortium.
I've been a little bit of everywhere in the U.S. regions other than Alaska to track a trajectory in extreme terrain. It's hard to simulate the interactions between the ground and the vehicle.
Why is the dark side of the moon not a more popular exploration site?
For us engineers, it's very difficult to go to. These permanently shaded regions get really cold, way colder than a lot of environments that we can test on Earth.